Okay, so let's show you how to put the hard drive in that you'll purchase separately for this unit. Okay, you've got 2 screws either side and 4 at the back. We've already taken these out for ease of demonstration. Once that's done, you pull the chassis top to the back, open it up, and you'll see inside you've got your motherboard. You have 2 SATA cables, the red, and 2 power cables, therefore allowing you to put 2 hard drives in. As we said earlier, we recommend full surveillance hard drives. Normal PC hard drives will not do the job. They aren't suitable for running 24 hours a day and they will not last. So please get a Seagate or a Western Digital hard drive of either a purple or a green quality. Like we said, up to 8 terabyte for 2 units. On the bottom of the hard drive, you've got 4 ports for the screws. The screws come supplied in the bag. Once you put these screws in loosely, you can then plug the hard drive in. So you have your power connector here and your red SATA data link here. Don't worry about putting these in wrong, these leads. They only go in one way. If they're not going in, don't force them. Have a look at the section and you will see. This one here is L-shaped with a little segment at the bottom, and you can see here this is L-shaped with the segment there. Therefore that must go in like this. We turn it round, give it a push, job's done. Okay, the SATA drive connector, this is the red connector. Again, you can see this is L-shaped and we've got the little tab at the bottom there. So that will go in this way. Job done. Okay, fitting the hard drive, these 4 screws will locate into these 4 holes. You can drop them in like this, push them across like so, and if we lift this up, you'll see underneath there are your 4 screws. You'll need to get a screwdriver and tighten these up, preferably not a magnetic one. And then just repeat the same steps if you want to fit a second hard drive. The system comes with the 2 cameras like we said earlier. You can expand it to 4. You would need to go onto the Rolson website and search for the 2 extra cameras. I would then suggest you get a second hard drive and put it in if you're running 4 cameras. Once this is connected, you get your chassis lid and you put it back on the unit. Like so. Tighten up 4 screws side, 4 at the back, and you're ready to power up. Okay, so while I'm fixing these chassis screws back, obviously when you're making the installation of the hard drive, the unit will always be down powered, so never attempt to do any works to the unit while it's powered up. And once you've fitted the hard drive, and on initial power up, you will go into the menu and you will need to format the drive. We'll show you how to do this later on. The hard drive installation, as you saw, was extremely easy. As long as you follow our step-by-step guide, you'll find that everything works excellent and you will thoroughly enjoy your product. Yeah.